change again. This is now a photo booth, a photo studio. We just transform it. We just transform it. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Charlene and I provide on this side of YouTube decor, some amount of DIY, and of course my lifestyle. Guys, in today's video though, we transform the space again. Yeah, you remember the last video? Yeah, so we just work it. Hold on, we should have shown you, you know. Send me get, hold on there. When I say send me get both the camera, when I can see? I hope so when I can see. Get both the camera, okay. Ah! Things are happening. I want to take you on a little bit of a tour. Let me see how we're going to do this now. So, over on this side, I kind of think this wall just lends itself to a nice console table. And we have a console table over here. We have a nice, very unique accent piece over here. Really unique. This has moved from bedroom, now it is over on this side. But yeah, so you can see I've accessorized this console table. Very simple and elegant, because remember, you know guys, so today this is a photo studio. Photo booth, yeah. So I had an announcement to make, and you probably will see this prior to this video. Yeah, an announcement to make of a group that, you know, we've come together as island designers, and I needed a space to create a photo shoot, video shoot that, yeah. So, like I said, I like to use up my skills also as an event decorator, you know, just to infuse that in some home decor, yeah, and get the whole thing a little buzz. I hope you agree with me. But yeah, as you can see, so yeah, this. So I take out my balloon pump. I have that pump here for about what years now? I can't remember how long I have this sitting here. Till them all upgrade them now, and you can get 2 nozzles. I won't still have 1. So you can probably only do a little job here. But yeah, with the side set, I wanted to put a little piece of prop in here for, you know, give the space a little buzz. Alright, so the inspiration really started with this painting, and I picked up all of the colors from the painting and some. Okay, now if you look inside here, so guys, you will see that there's a little bit of brown, orange tone in here. See a little bit of orange here as well. And of course, I just decided that I'm going to be using those colors now to pop my balloon decoration on this side. And then I just add orchids and I just throw them in. Tell me what you think in the comment section, if this is something that you would do. Now you see this little space here, guys. This little space has so much potential, and I think every week I come up with a new idea for this space. And let me tell you something, like time permit, I'm going to be doing all of them, because this is the good thing when you have an open concept house, right? And this is for art. Hold on, no back up a little bit. So if you remember from the Valentine's video, because we did transform this space already into a restaurant / dining kind of vibe, right? And this space was transformed to facilitate that. Now, I have kept the fabric up on the wall because I don't like to love it. It's a lot of work. I know the skin rubber operator, so from the stapler gun, I do the roof. So you know, so this have to stay so a little bit, it's not going anywhere soon. We might have to change the color. I have one next idea, you know. Right. So I decided, like I said, to pop the balloon with this. And then this rug, oh, I'm going to talk about the rug. I think I'll sit on it a bit. Let's talk about the rug. So, this rug was in here for the Valentine setup. It's just something to anchor the space. And then I had this old one. This was in my living room for years. I just wash it and just put it in a two garbage bag and roll it up and just push it under one bed. So when I start to work out this now, I said, hold on, man. where is the trusted rug? And I just went out and got it. I think I have it in my room inside. So we just go on my bed feet. And I'd love to layer rugs. I really do. I don't know if it's the done thing, but sometimes you know my head don't work like normal people. So I'm good. So me just decide to layer the rug. Now one of the things you have to bear in mind, guys, if you're gonna be layering a rug, it means you can't use patterns. Yes, you can use patterns, you just can't use a lot of color. So you can't have green and red and brown on this one, and then you come up and you put blue and pink and what. No, that can't work. So if you notice, this rug here is a pattern on pattern. So what it means is that the pattern is really woven inside of the rug. And it's one color, right? It's a neutral color. And then I decided now to pop it with this little fluffy one. And you can see the colors here are really standout colors, but they work in my estimation. Tell me what you think. Is this something that you'd be open to doing, layering your rug? Because we like it, you know. I wonder if I may come up with that idea. You think? No, no, that's not good. But seriously, I like to layer my rugs, right? So I think I did allude to the fact that this room, if you're new here though, this room is a 11 by 7. It's really small. It is my TV room. And if you notice, I didn't remove the television because I ain't got time for that. It was not affecting the photo shoot because I take a picture. But now I give myself extra work. And the TV stays right there. But so this room, let me tell you, say multi-purpose, you know. It's so usually our sofa bed is right here, which provides seating for the television in here. And there's also a recliner that comes somewhere right here. So a little bit tight sometimes, but you know. And what? Oh, someone know we need to say this is for the next video. I think never show on how we use it as a guest room. If we have an overnight guest, it's not a 5-star hotel, you know. If you just need someone to rest their head when you come, yeah. Even though we have a spare bedroom now. We don't know how long, but we have a spare bedroom. But in here, so if you come and you want to spend an overnight, you can spend a couple of days if you want. This room can double as that. And the next video I'm gonna show you how I use this room as a bedroom if I have an overnight guest. Like I said, it's not a 5-star hotel. There's nowhere for you to come spend 5 years. It's not that kind of setup. Alright? And then we're not telling you more about that part, but you will see it. But so in here, so right, I just basically just put in a chair here because I needed somewhere to sit in order to make my presentation. And I just topped it off with a little end table on the side here, so, and a lamp. So the idea was really to infuse both home decor and of course a little bit of prop. Okay? So the prop, I like it, just a long time, you know, using balloon pump. And this just gave me an opportunity to just own in back, just go back on the scale and just draw it out, because you know, the girl got that, eh? I do. So let me show off. No, I lie. Just I tell them the truth. I do though, and I get so excited whenever the ideas pop in my head. Anyway, I feel like me chatting off. Okay, so that's basically the room tour. The studio tour. I call it the studio. Yeah. And I just decided to use 2 plants here, you know, just to provide a little bit of greenery. And of course, you know, one of my design aesthetic is try to always create space even when there is none. So I'm not going to bring a lot of stuff coming to the room. I want it to be functional. It needs to be aesthetically pleasing. Those are my 2 hallmarks. Okay? Function and aesthetics. And of course the TV. So over on that side, you can see the TV. So I use the curtain rod. I kept it up, right? Because for the photo shoot, I didn't need that. It wouldn't be captured. I hope so. It wouldn't be captured, right? So I use it to hang the painting with some nylon thread or fishing line. Fishing line, you just hang it. You see that? It look like it so straight, you know, but it have to work, you know. And then I also used it to anchor the balloon decoration. So it serves a purpose of it. You understand? Yeah, you know, just up this one. Right. So here is the room. Let me know in the comment section what you think. How you think I did. Because on to the next idea. I promise to come along. Stay tuned. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found any value at all in here. And be sure to hit me up in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. Let me know. You will not talk to me enough, because my sister in love chat. Who wants to talk to me in the comment section? People, talk to me. Let me know what I want. If me I do okay, because sometimes I'm not so sure, but we're going. So, that's my room. We'll see you. Walk mode. We'll talk next week.